This week we've been looking at the problems a snooker player faces. It's all about that straight line, a straight pot, hitting the cue ball in the middle, having the cue on the straight line to start with and delivering it in a straight line. But what happens if your eyes are not actually on that line? Well, here's where this board comes into play. Essentially, we have a board with a step in it down. It's got a straight line. Obviously, when you stand behind, if you stand directly in line with your eyes, the line is one complete straight line. If you stand off to one side, the line is disjointed. So with your pupil, you get the pupil to get down into position. When he's happy, you remove the paper, and the pupil can see whether he looks at the line and it looks straight. If he's off to one side, the line looks disjointed. The other side, the line looks disjointed the other way. So the pupil can self-correct, and the coach can actually make a point of exactly where that player should be to make that line look correct. So we get onto the theory of the dominant eye. Have certain players got a strong eye that they use to cue with? Look at the top class players. Neil Robertson, left-handed over his right eye. Ronnie O'Sullivan, right-handed over his left eye. John Higgins, bang in the middle. But the question is Ronnie O'Sullivan a better player if he used that board to centrally line himself up, or does he see that line correctly straight? I haven't got a clue. So far this week we've looked at alignment in the game of snooker. Before the shot, getting yourself in the correct position to play the shot. Tomorrow we're going to look at something that helps you to deliver the cue in a straight line.